Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by removing immediate blockers so the app can run cleanly. Clear temporary cache and free at least 1 GB of storage. Low space causes crashes. Update Alight Motion to the latest build because many crash fixes land in updates. Once done, reboot your device to flush RAM and background processes. Disable battery saver and aggressive task killers so the app can keep CPU/GPU cycles. Now open Alight Motion and note whether it starts past the splash screen. If the app still crashes, export any important projects immediately to a safe backup because reinstalling can wipe data. Uninstall Alight Motion, then reinstall from the official store to ensure a clean install. Make sure app permissions, storage, microphone, and overlay are allowed since missing permissions can cause runtime failures. Create a simple new project with one clip and one effect to isolate the problem. If that works, reintroduce assets and effects gradually to find the culprit. To finalize, clear app data and cache only after you've exported projects, then reopen Alight Motion to let it rebuild its configuration. If problems persist, try installing the previous stable version because sometimes new releases introduce regressions. Make sure APK sources are trusted. Restore your backed up projects and test. If none of this resolves the crash, capture a simple crash log or screen recording and contact Alight Motion support. Provide device model, OS version, app version, and exact steps to reproduce for a faster fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.